So health wearables have been the rage for a little while now. They've been proven over time now that they do make a difference if you adhere to their structure. For those of you that follow the channel, you guys know we've been using a Aura ring here for a little while, for a couple generations actually now. We love it, but a lot of people might not want that. I don't even want to call it bulkiness because it's a ring, right? But a lot of people might not like the style or feel like it gets in the way of them doing activities. So enter Whoop. Whoop has been around for a while now. We have never taken a deep dive into one. We're going to be doing a whole bunch of more fitness checks here and comparisons against the Aura Ring and the Whoop Band. But for today, let's take a quick look at the Whoop Band itself. We will be doing a follow-up video here in the near future as well, going over a bunch of the new band options. Whoop has made a whole collection out of how to wear this if you don't like wearing it as a wristband. You can use underwear, you can use athletic attire, shirts, boxers, shorts, swimwear. They have a whole assortment here. We're not going to deep dive into those just now, but it does give a lot of athletes different sort of options on how to wear it. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at this, switch out one of the bands, and check the app as well. Let's go. So when you order and receive your Whoop band, you will obviously get the device itself and a single band as well. And then once you unbox it, this is what you guys can expect to see. So you will have obviously the Whoop band 4.0 itself with a couple of warnings just to remove tags and how to open it up. And what you can probably see right off the bat from this is just how tiny this tracker actually is, considering it's something you're going to have to wear 100% of the time according to Whoop for what they would like. You will also have the charging puck. Obviously you can see it needs a little bit of a charge now, and another warning label here. What I really like about this, not only that it is a USB-C charging port, that is obviously pretty universal nowadays, but you do not technically need to remove the device when charging. What's very neat is this slides right on top of the band, and you're able to charge this while you're still on the go. Now, I don't know if anyone will really want to leave the house with that on. It does make it pretty bulky. However, it is an option unlike every other really health tracker I have. Everything from, an Aura Ring to an Apple Watch, they all need to be taken off. This is all part of Whoop's vision, kind of like we said, to have this on 24/7. The last item is obviously somewhat of an archaic charger. It's a USB Type A to USB Type C charger. It is very short, so just keep that in mind. This might have to dangle from somewhere when you have it hanging up or charging. But if you don't want to utilize that, obviously, like we said, any USB Type C charger will work. In order to actually get the band set up, it's showing you how to lift here, but you can really just pinch on the sides to open it up. When you do, we'll peel this off. You saw this backing came off, and we'll take off the covering by the sensors. And you can see exactly what that looks like. You can resize this at any time. This one that comes with it is not too stretchy really, it's more firm. But to resize it, all you need to do is kind of push down on the band from the top and slide it through to find the position that works best for you. Obviously, if you ever want to change cases and all that, this does come off on both sides. They really just slide out, pretty simple. If you want to get a more fun, I guess you can call it, band, and that's kind of what we have here too today. We will be unboxing these and showing you a full video on them, so make sure to subscribe to the channel to get all of that. Now, as we said, when you want to slide this on, it is pretty simple to do, and once you snap it onto place, it is charging, and you can see now we are in pairing mode. So once you get that ready to go, you will need your iPhone or Android phone, and you can unlock it and simply look to download the Whoop app. We did, but we have not actually launched it yet, so we'll see this pairing process right together from Jump Street. So we'll go ahead and say allow location. We're getting a whole introduction here. And then we're going to say I have a Whoop device, and we will create an account. You're greeted by the actual device setup process right from Jump Street. And you can see here it says slide on battery pack. Once you actually have it on your wrist, we're just going to do it on the table though. And you can see for the blue light, which we already saw over there, so we'll say start pairing. You can see it found it pretty quickly, and now it is going to compare, or pair I should say, with our phone. And there it is, it's ready to go already. So I'm going to go ahead and finish registering, and we'll be right back. So the setup process was very quick and easy. And this is the first thing we landed on. Obviously, on the top right, you can see it is charging. We only have 6% battery currently. And then your dashboard, which is going to be very customizable depending on what you need. You can see getting started, it's recommending charging, simply obviously for the fact that the battery is low. Plan your first sleep, ready to get moving, and everything you can get set up, customizing your dashboards, your heart rate variabilities here, sleep performance, all of this will be updated as you wear the device. It is very data driven and very cool to see. You have your own plan ahead, the community if you want to join any groups and be somewhat competitive with friends, and then obviously more, they want you to share your experience with Whoop. You get some codes for 3 people for a free trial and all of that. Obviously, you do have your profile on the left side, but this is going to be where you're going to be able to really customize and learn from your investment here with that Whoop band. So we'll go through that at a later time. We will go ahead and obviously do those unboxing on these new bands, especially with the material. I'm very excited for this Sportflex Tempo and to see how this works looking with this band. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.